Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the one of the recently trending topic about the Poco X3 regarding the phone got blast and one of the user he did upload the video on the YouTube, and so many users are commenting in my channel that do a video on that one and give some clarification. And finally, this is a video which will be clarifying all your doubts. So right now in this video, I'll try to show you what actually happened, and we'll try to come on to a final conclusion what's going on with this mobile phone with the Poco X3 device. And here is the user who uploaded, and I think the user is from the Baghdad, Iraq. So now we got to know that he is using the international version of the Poco X3 device, so that's not the Indian variant. So one thing is that you don't need to worry about the Indian variant, but another thing is that the international variant has a 5000 mAh of battery, whereas the Indian variant has a 6000 mAh of battery. So this might be concerning for a few of the users, but before that, let me try to show you the video right now. As you can see, friends, here is the phone which got blast here, and this perfectly looks like the Poco X3 phone only. The backside and everything matches to the perfect to the description, even all the camera sensors and everything, as you can see. So this is perfectly the Poco X3 model, but this is the international variant which got blasted. So this is not the Indian variant. So my only concern is that Indian variant has a more battery capacity. So if you ask me, this can be happen to the Indian variant, I don't think this can be happening, because there is no other phone, friends, which got blasted. There are so many models got blasted before as well, not only from Xiaomi or Poco, even from the Samsung and iPhone. There are so many models, but it happens very rarely. I think 1 in a 1 million, maybe 1 in 10 lakhs people it can be happening, but it doesn't happen in every phone. So this is a one thing you need to know about this Poco X3 device. So if you just type the phone blast in the YouTube, you'll get so many videos from different phone companies where the phones will get blasted as well. So now you need to take care about the phone while you're charging. So don't play any games while charging. So this is another thing you need to know, and don't overcharge the phone during the night time as well. So these are the few steps which you need to follow, friends. Even during the heat, very hot temperature time as well, don't try to charge your mobile phone. Even that might heat up the phone more as well. So that is another reason for the causing of the blast in some areas of the parts. So if we see this kind of blasting happening to the multiple users at same time, like close to 1 week of period, if this is happening from the one, not only in the Baghdad and Iraq, maybe if it happens in any other location. So let's again, I'll try to make a video on that one. So then we can come to a conclusion that there is something wrong with this phone. But just based on one user, I don't think you should not lose trust on this Poco X3 device. But what I'm saying is that you need to keep control the way you charge your mobile phone, the Poco X3 device, because it has got 6000 mAh of battery. So not only this phone, whatever device you are using, whatever electronic device you are using, so you need to make sure that it's not heating while charging. So that is the one thing you need to know, friends. And no need to worry. So so many users, they are definitely worried about the Poco X3 phone after seeing that video which got blasted while charging, I think so. So final conclusion is that, friends, don't worry at all. So it won't happen for each and every user. So if I can come across any other video in a couple of days or next 1 week like that, I'll try to make a video again. So then I'll try to update as well. But up to now, so there is no problem with the Poco X3 device. So don't try to get afraid of buying this mobile phone. So definitely, friends, try to follow the actual procedures before charging any smartphone, not only Poco X3, any other smartphone as well. So this is a quick update on the explosion on the Poco X3 device. So the blasted mobile is the Poco X3, but it is an international variant Poco X3 NFC model, so not the Indian variant. So that is the one advantage as well. But Indian variant has 6000 mAh, so you need to take care of the way you charge your mobile phone. So don't charge overnight, and don't charge while you are gaming as well. So take care of that. And that's it, friends, and no need to worry at all. So take care about the Poco X3 properly, and it will take care of you. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.